Hey guys, it's Nick from Curvy Road Slot Car. Just setting up my GRL Round 4 track, and I got a box here Tuesday from Lightek Slots. It's Warren. He's part of the GRL. Has a store up in Canada, so I figured I'd give him a shout out and open up this box. I threw a challenge out there for anybody, but some of the guys for GRL of doing these Mustang GTY cars. So Warren had a couple, so I bought what he had. So let me get this going. I've cut the box open, but I haven't emptied it yet. So we've got a cardboard. Warren's got a wicked sweet tooth. We got all kinds of stuff here. Smarties for you guys up in Canada. There you go. Bunch of pops, Tootsie Rolls, all kinds of stuff. You guys will get your candy fixation. And we got some stickers for some slot car bell stickers, action racing collectibles, Playboy bunny, and then there we go there. We got Warren. Alright, so the first car I got isn't a Mustang. It's he had it. It's a well, I'll just show you. Let's go here. It's a Carrera digital Charger. Pretty cool. I don't have any of these NASCAR ones, so that's pretty cool. And then I'll put that right down here next to my Aston. And I got let's see, what else we got here? Oh, let me get this out. We got all right, we got the Tiger Stripe GTY. It's in a matte brown color, actually. Where's my knife? Actually looks really cool. I know Dan from 333 Bean, he is using this as his GTY modified car. For any of you guys, interested in these, pretty cool car. These Mustangs are really cool. They just drive like crap. So that's where we're at with that one. And then I got another one here. This was an analog car that he had, and I bought a chip from him so I can digitally put this on. Oh, there we go. So here's the more cowbell Mustang. I open that up. So any of you guys familiar with this one? Looks really nice. And then you got the, whoops, where's that? There you go. The camera's not focusing. More cowbell. I've got the chip with it. Oh, there it is. Digital chip. So I can get this to run on my digital track, but I also have a tech slot box. And I also got an NSR. This is my first one. NSR, it's a 908. So I'll have to put that together. Everybody talks about these NSR 908s, and I think they're pretty cool. But I've got two NSRs. I got an Aston Martin and a BMW Z4, and I've got some tires that Warren says are fit the Mustang. So here's just a little video. That's where I got it from. If you guys could take a look and look him up. He's got some good cars on there, and he's always updating his stuff. He's shipping internationally, from what I know. And then on top of that, I picked up a back order cars. It's the orange GTY, which is, color of it's really cool. Really nice looking car. So now I've got 4 GTYs and the track cleaner. So I'll add these to my library and we'll go from there. So pretty good haul. Let me arrange that. You guys can see what I got here. Grab the camera here. So we've got Mustang GTY number 42. We've got the number 17 GTY, and I've got the number 24. I've got, so now these Mustangs and the tire cleaner and the Dodge. So there you go, guys. There's my Aston. Gotta love them things. They are fun to drive around this track. So you guys, I figured I'd just do that, and I figured I'd give a Lightek slotcars shout out to Warren. He does a great job, ships it all really quick, and give him a look up, and we will talk to you guys later. And thanks very much, guys, for taking a look at the video. So if you can, please like, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you on another day, and I'll catch you probably Friday night. I'll be doing my GRL run with my GT3 McLaren. Take it easy, guys.